seating position, where the pegs are, basically the overall comfort of the bike. The seat is pretty wide, as you can see here, and plenty of room for my fat ass. You even got a nice, pretty wide sissy bar back here and the passenger seat, so whoever's riding with you will be comfortable. We got these passenger pegs here so they can sit on it and have no issues, be real comfortable on the bike, but regardless of a passenger, you're the rider. And if you're going to be on one of these things, you want to be comfortable. So I'll tell you right now, I've sat on a couple of bikes. This one, without a doubt, is the most comfortable motorcycle I've ever